everybody, it's Jess from Sallie Tomato, and today is day 3 and we're gonna open up another present. So here we have a gift bag. So find the gift bag labeled day 3, and the gift bag says, the season to sparkle. Use this bundle of bling with day 7. So that's a little hint to what's inside, and you're gonna hang on to this to use with day 7. So let's open it up and see. So here we have some gorgeous hardware. So you have a nice basic level 3 hardware kit in size 3/4 inch. So if you're not familiar with our level kits, basically the hardware starts out simple at level 1, and then the hardware starts to build up and goes up to level 4. So it doesn't necessarily mean skill level, it just means that it starts to build on the hardware, and the bags that the hardware is likely used for are probably more novice to beginner and kind of builds up the pattern level as well. So it's just a really good basic set. So you get 2 swivel hooks, 2 D-rings, and a slider buckle included in with the basic hardware kit. And then you also get a pack of small Chicago screws. So this hardware can be used for the project on day 7, or if you prefer, you could keep it in your stash for another pattern. So Chicago screws are kind of like rivets. They have that same look to them, but they just screw in place. So all you need is a screwdriver, possibly a rotary punch to cut the holes for the screws, but it's super easy. You don't need any setting tools. So big fan of Chicago screws. And if you haven't tried them yet, they're a great piece of hardware that you can add to any pattern. So I hope you enjoyed today's gift, and I will see you tomorrow.